Hey y'all, coming to you from the international headquarters of ScottieDTV, but I was at the 2019 SEMA Show, and I came across a 1969 Mustang I think y'all are going to like. Let me get the camera turned around and we'll take a quick look at it. I like it. It's a cool car, not overdone, but nicely done. As you will see, it won a Ford Design Award. Very clean build. Again, these cars are the type that you don't really have to do anything as far as a bunch of body mods to them. You know, sharpen the lines, tuck the bumpers. They even left the door handles and mirrors on it. Window trim, wiper blades, everything. But yeah, just cleaned it all up. I like the way they use the colors. Kind of a really light gray off-white and then black. With that red interior just popping like it's got a switch to it, right? You can turn it on and turn it off. You cannot turn it off. But I like it. I think it's the right shade. And it's gorgeous. I mean, I think they absolutely rocked it on the inside. Very cool. Tastefully done. I like the door panels, I like the steering wheel. I love what they did with this clock in the dash when I can get over to it. Right? That's kind of like a throwback to a Mach 1. I don't know. You know I don't know. But one of the Mustangs, you could get a dash clock on it. I think it's cool. And there, like I said, the Ford Design Award and a Masters of Motors finalist award. How about that? With the big Boss 529 in it. Cool cars from the factory. 69, everybody had it right. Center exhaust, you gotta love that. Stance, got it nailed. I think the interior is very fitting for the build too. It's got a little pizzazz to it, you know. It's like I said, it's a little loud, but with the downplay of the rest of the car with black wheels, the color of the body, it needed something yelling at you. Bright. I like it. I think it's well designed. I thought it's well thought out. I like the color. I like the texture of the leather. I like everything about it. And of course, Boss 529. It's like stacked injection on it. You can never go wrong with that. Very cool. Whole car I thought was cool. I thought y'all would want to see it. So there you go, from the 2019 SEMA Show, a 1969 Ford Mustang Boss 529. Hope y'all have enjoyed it. See ya! Hey y'all, make sure you subscribe to this channel and visit ScottieDTV.com for an easy way to search the hundreds of videos I have posted. Either click the link in the description or the one at the end of this video.